Well, here she is, guys. Big thanks to my buddy Jeremy for being here pretty much every weekend, helping me at least for a few hours on a Sunday. And a big thanks to Mike for helping me get the motor out, and a big thanks to my buddy Rich for helping us get the putting a new motor back in. Anyway, that's what she looks like. She's running a little bit rough right now. It seems like it's trying to learn how to idle properly, and I'm not sure if there's any other issues, but she's running. We'll go to start her up and see how she does. Here you can see some of the interior. Put a BM Quicksilver in here. Seems like sometimes I have to give her a little bit of gas to get her started, and then she'll take off. But like I said, for some reason it's a little rough starting. Here we go. Uh-oh, battery's dead.